I'm Molly Cool from Enchem, here to tell you about Enchem and how we can help your business be more productive. Did you know that Enchem is a leading provider of custom and toll manufacturing services in the USA with comprehensively equipped sites in Rock Hill and Duncan, South Carolina? Enchem is dedicated to the highest standards of health, safety, and environmental compliance. Our ISO 9001 systems, fit for registration, and flexible permitting, combined with our highly qualified team service, are exactly what you need. Worried about being single-sourced? No problem. We have backup capabilities at both our sites, along interstates and upstate South Carolina. Enchem's focus on excellent customer service, continuous improvements, and ethical business practices means you can rest assured that you and your products are in good hands. We have specialized agitation systems capable of mixing and pumping high viscosity products, which are sold as flakes and pellets. Enchem is a recognized industry leader in silane reactions, scale-up, process optimization, and much more. Enchem serves many markets, including coatings, adhesives, high-performance composites, biofuel additives, consumer products, automotive suppliers, plastic additives, agriculture chemicals, pulp and paper chemicals, textile chemicals, and others. Want to learn more about our global capabilities? Ask James Hubbard or Wendell Roth, right here in the Enchem booth with me now. Tell them Molly sent you.